What is a drain pan?
Visit
A drain pan for a water heater is a
samedaybcfixwaterheater.com.
plastic or metal container that is placed beneath the water heater to collect any water that may leak from the tank. Why some home insurance companies require a drain pan for your water heater? Some home insurance requires a drain or drip pan for a water heater in order to help protect your home from potential water damage due to the potential failure of the water heater. This helps reduce losses and protect the homeowner financially.
And also, don't forget our partners.
We buy houses and land fast, in as-is condition. Regardless of your property situation, we can purchase now and close on the date of your choice, whenever you decide to sell your house ASAP and get peace of mind.